Hey guys, I would like to go over the problem together just to make sure that we unpack important information and we also can clearly see how to create a little linear model. What are the different parts? So the problem says a cell phone plan costs $30 for unlimited calling plus 15 cents per text message. We're going to write a linear model that represents the monthly cost of this cell phone plan. So the first thing we'd like to know in order to create the equation, what are one-time charges? So in this case, we have $30 for the plan, and we also have the 15 cents per text message. The keyword here is per text message. It looks like 15 cents here will change depending on the number of text messages that you sent. So that doesn't sound like a one-time charge. It looks like in our equation, the one-time charge will be the cost of the plan, which is $30. The next step is to identify the rate of change. This means, well, this amount is the amount that keeps changing and depends on something else um, for it to change. So based on this amount here, $30 per for the plan and $15 per text message, it looks like the 15 cents will change based on the number of text message that you sent. So our rate of change for our equation is 15 cents. Um, the next step is defining the variables. As you guys know, you can choose any variables in the alphabet from A to Z. However, in algebra, we usually use X and Y to graph any points um, and or to portray a linear graph. So in this case, I'm going to just go use X and Y. Um, one of them will be my independent variable, which is the variable that you can input any number and it doesn't have any restrictions. And the other variable will be the dependent, which the value of that variable will depend on some calculations. So X is or will be my independent variable because I will set any number to be the number of messages. And my Y will be the total cost after I do the math. Um, so after I have defined my variables, I'm going to move now to create the equation to model this situation. And for this situation, we're going to use the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And the way I wrote the equation is that our dependent variable here, y, will be equal, will depend, right, on the 15 cents per text message plus or adding the monthly plan cost.